Here we have this 2018 18-plate DV8 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now, with being the DV8 vehicle, you do get lots of modifications added to it. So you do get the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels. Now they are the DV8 and are all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. Now, combined with the off-road tyres, you do get the 2-inch lift. We also get the DRLs just down there. We have the grille with the light bar just handy behind, with the nudge bar just down there at the bottom. Now we do have the wide arch kit, which is colour coded to the bodywork of the car. You have your black roof bars with your black window trim, and also your privacy glass on the rear. We also have your black side steps on either side of the vehicle. Front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, smoked LED rear light. You also get your tow bar just down there. You also have your luggage cover there as well. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now, if we go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior of this vehicle. Now, you do get the half leather and half fabric seats throughout. You have your armrest comes down, your ISOFIX points. You also have storage pan passenger in the driver's seat. You also get your 230 and your 12-volt connectivity down there as well. Electric windows. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now, it is electrically adjustable, and both front seats are also heated. Electric windows, carbon fibre look trim, power folding mirrors, auto lights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You also have your screens either side of the screen there, just there. Screen in the centre, we can see your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. Dual zone climate control just down there with your 2 heated front seats. You also have a front heated windscreen, so for those cold winter mornings when your front windscreen is all frosted over, click that button and then it will defrost it within minutes. You have your parking sensors, traction on and off, rear diff lock and downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. So this vehicle is a very, very capable vehicle. Now, it is yet to have its full clean. Now, once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications and optional extras that do come with the DV8 kit. Now, it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.